Imagine a world where plants fight back with electricity. Some species have evolved a remarkable ability called bioelectrogenesis, generating tiny electrical charges as a defense mechanism. When a herbivore tries to munch on their leaves, these plants can send out a mild electric current, creating discomfort or even minor shocks. This surprising tactic deters hungry insects and animals, making them think twice before taking another bite. Scientists are fascinated by this natural strategy, as it highlights the hidden intelligence and adaptability found throughout the plant kingdom.